In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set custom ringtone on Poco C75. Go in settings, scroll down, tap on sound and vibration. Again scroll down, tap on ringtone. Here you get the multiple ringtone, but I want to set custom ringtone, so I will simply select choose local. Now here you get the three options. If your ringtone is in recorder, then you can simply tap on recorder, or if your ringtone is audio files, then you can simply tap on audio files, or if your ringtone is music, then you can simply tap on music. Let's say I will select over the horizon music, tap on OK. As you can see, over the horizon is added in my ringtone. To apply this, simply tap on apply, tap on OK. Here it is also showing. So this is how you can set custom ringtone on Poco C75. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.